Welcome to my series of 10 Sri Lankan dishes everyone should know. Day 1, Sri Lankan Chicken Curry. Let's go. Class is in session. So that was onion. We got about 6 cloves of garlic, a couple of pieces of ginger. Gonna roughly cut those so they'll smash better. 3 green chilies. Just gonna break them roughly. Gonna roughly, just doesn't need to be very smooth paste, just roughly smash them in. Now to the chicken. Personally, I like to use chicken thighs or chicken Marylands. If you like, you can use chicken breast, use chicken bone-in. Actually, bone-in actually tastes a lot better, but I just like the convenience of using chicken thighs. So I've got about 700 grams of chicken thighs, no bone, no skin. So I'm just gonna cut them into cubes, 2 to 3 inches. Chicken is cut up and we need to marinate them. First of all, we're gonna go with a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cracked pepper, 1 teaspoon of roasted chili powder, 1 teaspoon, or actually 2 teaspoons of roasted curry powder. Tuna paha. Gonna go half a teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm going to use half of the ginger, garlic and green chili paste that we just made. A tablespoon of white vinegar. Alright. So the marinade, as little as half an hour, as much as overnight, if possible, that'll be amazing. But if you don't have time, just marinate for about half an hour. Let it sit in room temperature. Just don't leave it out in the sun or something, because the bacteria is gonna love that. So leave it in the room temperature for about half an hour as minimum. Let's go make the curry. This is not your regular chicken curry. Once you try this, every other chicken curry will feel basic.